You've worked hard to become a homeowner. However, your work is not done. After you move into your new house, there are several essential maintenance tasks that you'll need to attend to. Here are a few things you need to do in order to maintain your new home. Hi, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. That's my logo in the upper corner of your screen. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice, and the Omaha Area Board of Realtors recently honored me as being a legend in real estate. So today, let's talk about essential maintenance to conduct on newly purchased homes. Number one, gutter maintenance. Your gutters are an important part of your home. They're designed to prevent water from damaging the foundation of your home by redirecting the flow away from the base. They'll also prevent ice dams from forming on your roof by creating a path for the water to flow off of your roof. You should inspect your gutters and clean them if necessary, as gutters can become easily clogged with leaves and branches and even sustain damage over time if not taken care of. This is an easy fix that many neglect after purchasing a home, resulting in more costly repairs down the road. Air conditioner maintenance. Unless the air conditioner is brand new, you should ensure that it gets maintenance. You'll need to have the filter changed since it's responsible for removing dirt, dust, and allergens from the air. A dirty filter will cause your HVAC system to work harder as well as produce poor air quality. You'll need to have your HVAC system inspected by a professional. They can perform a tune-up. Air conditioner maintenance will help you save money because the unit will use less energy and last a lot longer. Water heater maintenance. We've had videos on this before, but it's important to remind you again. Most people don't realize this. Your water heater likely needs to be drained if it's been used before. Sediment has a tendency to build up in water heaters over time, and few sellers have this taken care of before they sell their home. If the sediment hardens, your water heater will become less efficient. Draining the water heater will help you get rid of the sediment and ensure your water heater works normally long after you move into your new home. And then every year after this, on at least 1 year anniversary, if not sooner, drain that water heater to help get rid of that sediment, and you will be helping the efficiency and longevity of your water heater. Plumbing maintenance. Inspecting the pipes in a property you've just moved into is crucial. Look under your sinks to make sure the pipes aren't leaking. If you had a home inspection, that's probably been done for you. Also, if there are water stains on your ceiling, you may have a plumbing leak. Additionally, you need to check your faucets for drips. If you notice any problems, call a plumber who can ensure that your sinks, toilets, and pipes are in good working condition. Plumbing maintenance can help you save a lot of time and money further down the road. You will need to perform basic maintenance when you move into a home. You need to clean your gutters in order to protect the foundation, as well as perform water heater maintenance and air conditioner maintenance. Additionally, it's important to make sure your plumbing is in good condition. Thank you for watching my video. I invite you to go to my website at markrenner.com and browse. There's some interesting things on there. There's videos on what the real estate market is like right now, how COVID-19 has affected our real estate market. Also at my website, you can get special buyer and seller reports. Just click on that link and I will email you or mail you whichever reports you want. There's reports for buyers, how to buy a house, sellers, what to do to get your house ready for sale, information on mortgages, builders, and other interesting things. I can mail them or email them to you because I have them in a digital format. So my personal contact information is streaming below. You can email me, mark@markrenner.com, and let me know what special reports you'd like, or just give me a phone call. Please feel free to call me if you'd like further explanation on any of my videos, or if you have any real estate questions at all. I simply see my mission as striving to be as helpful as I possibly can to area homeowners. I hope this video provides the information you need to be an informed homeowner. Have a great day and be safe.